Hello guys, today we have two products in front of us. Both are similar, 100% similar. There is no difference at all in these two products. In fact, when I took these both the products to Realme showroom or service center, they are unable to find out what is the reality, which is the real one and which is a duplicate one. So that's the biggest issue, because the braided wire is similar, the design of the earplugs are similar, everything is similar, there is no difference at all. But the one is duplicate and second one is original. So this one is the original one. You can find the build quality of this particular product is a very good, and it's a superior one. So first of all, this band don't bend at all. If you see, it will remain straight always it will remain straight. It doesn't move or it doesn't bend. So that's the specialty. If you check the wire, the braided wire is of a very good quality, and the thickness of this particular wire is also of a very good quality. It's a very thick one. Otherwise, if you find if you look at the plastic quality and the sound quality, everything, microphone, everything, quality wise both products are same. Now this is the Realme Bud 2. This is the original one, and now we will check out the duplicate one. So this is the duplicate one. Both products I got from the Amazon only. Now here there is a gimmick. This particular product is not up to the mark. See, this band, the band bends. I don't know, but they have made. You have seen the photographs and all. They have made a mimicry of the original product. It's a second copy, you can say. But the only difference you cannot make out by looking at because there is a branding in photos you have seen. But only the case is that it bends. That's it. That's the only difference I find it out. And here there is one hump is there. That's it. Apart from that, the braided wire is not up to the mark, but you cannot make out the difference between the original and the duplicate one. Difference is here in this particular place, because in original you have a plus minus signs to increase or lower the volume and to pick up a call. Here there is no plus minus sign. You cannot lower or rise the volume, but there is one button to cut the call or to change the music, like next music, previous music. All functions are same. Functionality wise both are same, sound wise both are same. There is no difference at all. If you check out this, because when I took this particular product to the Realme service center, they also got surprised, because this wire is very thin. This wire gauge, this wire and this wire, both wire, if you check out, there is small difference. There is a very small difference in both the wires. It is not easily, you cannot easily make out what's the difference, but texture is different. That's it. So when I bought this particular product, there is some problem in this. I bought recently this product, and this one original I am using since 1 year, and this product I recently bought from the Amazon. These people, Realme people, told me that please complain to Amazon because that is not their lookout. But I told them that this is your product. Then they say, so no, this is not our product. The packing, everything, the branding, here also the branding is made for like a Realme, original Realme product. So they says no, you need to contact Amazon. I contacted Amazon. I tried to talk to them. I explained them that this is the case and this is the situation. You need to block the vendor. And then they say that okay, we will do it and this and that. Till date I didn't receive any refund. Already 20 days has been passed, because I bought two pieces. One piece I returned, and second piece is having some problem, because one ear the sound is more, and in second the sound is on the lower side. So there was a complaint, so that I thought, okay, let us get it replaced from the Realme Shopee, but it doesn't happen like that. They refuse to give because they says that there is a duplicate product. Okay, that is the review of this particular thing. There are two products, both are working similar, sound wise same, microphone wise same, there is no difference at all. The only difference is the quality. Okay, one more thing, the packing also I would like to show. Just hold for a second. So this is the packing. Realme Buds 2, feel the real bass. And of course 2 months has been passed, so it has some marks. See, you cannot make out which is real and which is duplicate, because when I bought this packing, I shown it to those people, barcode, everything, company name. Those people were surprised, and they immediately told me to give a complaint to Amazon people. I think instead of Amazon, Realme people should look at this particular video, and they should contact, or they should make a complaint about this particular vendor. This particular product is sold on a platform, global platform, Amazon. Amazon is a big company, and they are not responding. They are not. They don't care for the product what has been sold by them. Price has been written 399, but I think I got this particular product 200 odd rupees. I don't remember now. But if Amazon authorities or Realme authorities is watching this particular video, then they should take the action. If they need any more information, they can come back to me. I have all details, because this has been done on the electronic platform, so all details are there, all numbers, reference numbers are there, so you can trace the vendor and just block this customer and take a legal action against this guy. Okay, thank you very much, and keep watching our channel. Please subscribe and give your comments, views, and share our video on the various platforms. Thank you very much.